If you're a B2B consultant or professional coach, I'm about to walk you through exactly why you are not where you want to be in your business. Okay, so entertain me for a second, right? Your entrepreneurial journey. You start to offer your products or services, right? So then the question becomes, do you have a system for sales and marketing in place? If the answer is no, then guess what happens? You get few low paying clients and you're relying on word of mouth marketing, right? So when the question comes up of, do you have predictability? The answer is no. So because you don't have predictability, you put too much effort into your clients and trying to keep them. You're essentially burning yourself out, right? And then you don't have time to dedicate to the business. So what happens? Then you can't raise your prices. And then guess what? You can't delegate tasks. So the end result is that your business shrinks. Okay. And because you can't raise your prices, guess what? You can't invest into getting more clients. So you're stuck in this perpetual cycle of what I call the B2B coaches and consultants slavery flywheel, right? I can break it down for you in another video here, but you're essentially in a perpetual cycle of this. So now, let's say you start to offer your products or services, but you do have a system for sales and marketing in place. Guess what happens? You get an abundance of ideal clients. Your marketing system attracts the ideal clients. And then when the question of do you have predictability comes up, the answer is yes. And then you have a standardized product or service that guarantees customer satisfaction. You have time to improve your product or service so it doesn't rely on you getting client results. And then you're able to increase prices, you're able to grow your team, and then guess what? Your business grows. And because you're able to increase prices, guess what? You can invest into attraction marketing to get more of an abundance of ideal clients. Guys, this is the game you want to play. You want to play the game where your business grows, right? You want ultimate leverage. You want to get out of what I call the slavery flywheel of B2B coaches and consultants. Okay, this is where you have leverage level number one, right? You're not at a leverage level number 100. That's what I call the scalable impact flywheel. No, you're here. Commoditized service or offer, super low price. And because you have a low price, you have no leverage. You can't afford superstar talent. So you get average, mediocre, or bad results. And you're just stuck here forever. And hey, look, you can make maybe 300K, 500K a year doing this, but you're going to be in a lot of pain and a lot of stress, all because you didn't make the transition over to the scalable impact model, right? Where you create an irresistible, sustainable, scalable offer. You go high ticket, okay? You want to be playing the high ticket game so you can afford superstar talent and get amazing results, which cause high retention rate, and you can afford better attention with new case studies. This is the flywheel you want to be playing in, because this is a flywheel that gets you to 100,000 to 500,000 a month effortlessly. Okay. And that's at 60 to 80% profit margins. This is the most leverage you can get.